Honor finally officially launched in China. Honor robot phone will be available in silver and gray colors. The camera setup includes a 200-megapixel 4D gimbal primary sensor with an f/1.6 aperture, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera and a 200-megapixel periscope telephoto camera. Honor robot phone features a 6.3-inch LTPO OLED screen with two 640x1, 216px resolution and a 1 to 120 Hz variable refresh rate. Peak local brightness is rated at 6,800 nits. The robot phone is equipped with Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset paired with up to 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage. Massive 7060 mAh battery supporting 120W wired fast charging and 50W wireless charging. The 12/512GB trim is priced at 9,999 Chinese yuan. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.